I'd like to discuss how enterprise risk management interacts with the six capitals. I think it's best described from my colleagues at Ernst & Young, Brendan LeBlanc, partner of Ernst & Young, and Michael Kravitz, manager at Ernst & Young. I think it's instructive to be able to see how the six capitals interact with enterprise risk management. According to LeBlanc and Kravitz, risk management procedures are intended to protect a company's long-term viability in dynamic markets and regulatory changes. In today's economies, companies face a rapidly growing challenge, an opportunity to expand their businesses and create value. The increasing physical, regulatory, reputational, and financial impacts of sustainability issues, including environmental, social, and governance, that's ESG, concerns, are compelling companies to take a broader view when identifying and managing risks. Corporate risk management, and that's the area that you're going to be principally responsible for, is evolving to respond to the needs and requests of various stakeholders, such as investors, employees, customers, suppliers, and regulators, as well as the local communities in which the companies operate around the world. Stakeholders are seeking to understand the broad spectrum of complex risks that companies are facing in order to confirm that such risks are effectively managed across the enterprise. While some organizations have advanced their risk procedures with this orientation, their risk registers or risk logs or risk management issues have not necessarily matured at the same pace. A risk register formalizes identification, assessment, and management of risks and opportunities in a way that facilitates wider consideration by management and the board. Risk registers allow management to compare disparate risks, like monetary impact. But non-financial measures, non-financial environmental and social risks are often unintentionally not included in risk registers or are masked by more traditional risk categories, and thus environmental and social activities externally lack the integrated risk approach internally that may indicate sustainability and corporate responsibility activities are bolted on rather than baked in to company strategies and operations. The functional managers are challenged to secure the necessary resources to effectively manage these associated risks and realize opportunities, particularly strategic in the risk and reward and opportunity area. This is critically important as you become corporate compliance and fiduciary stewards of the company, because most American companies don't bake in or integrate the six capitals into their strategic plan and how they relate to the communities and the publics they serve.